Welcome to our channel Learning Concept. So we have already done letter A, B and C and we are continuing with the other letter. So let us start with the letter D.
So writing this letter D, what we have to do, we have to make a standing line and from the front line we will start. Okay, make a dot here and on the base line also a dot and then join this line. In this way we can make a standing line. Now move towards the right side and make a right curve and then come to the base line and touch to the point where we have stopped in the standing line. So this is D, capital letter D. Now I am telling you small letter also. So for small letter also we have to make a standing line and we will start from this base line and then turn towards the left side, make a short left curve and join in the line here. So this is small d. In uppercase we write D in this way and in lowercase we write D in this way.
So this is capital D, also known as uppercase, and this is small d, known as lowercase. Now it's a turn of its phonics sound. The sound of D is D. D. Again repeating, the sound of D is D. D. D for dog, D for dot.
Now we will study a new letter E, capital E. First I'll make capital E. For that what we have to do, we have to make a standing line, okay, then sleeping line from the front line. Be careful that where to start and where to stop. So this is your first line, second line should be short one, okay, and third line should be equal to the first one. जब आप कैपिटल ई लिखते हैं स्टैंडिंग लाइन होगी, देन आप फर्स्ट जो फ्रंट लाइन है उसमें एक स्लिपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, सेकेंड वेस्ट लाइन में जो स्लिपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे ये शॉर्ट होनी चाहिए और लास्ट यानी कि जो बेस लाइन है उसमें जब आप स्लिपिंग लाइन बनाएंगे वो इक्वल टू द फ्रंट लाइन के होनी चाहिए, तब आप इसे परफेक्टली रिटन लेटर समझेंगे। ओके, इसी का हम स्मॉल ई सीखेंगे। स्मॉल ई बनाने के लिए वेस्ट लाइन और बेस लाइन के सेंटर पे मैं एक स्लिपिंग लाइन बनाऊंगी। In this way you have to make a slipping line, then go upward and touch the waistline, then come down touching this slipping line, you have to touch the base line and then stop. Okay, this is capital E and this one is small e. It is written in the uppercase and it is written in a smaller case. So in this way we have learned how to write letter E. Now we will study the sound of letter E.
So this is capital E and this is small e. Now it's a turn of its phonic sound. The phonic sound of letter E is A. A. The phonic sound of letter E is A. A. E for elephant, E for egg.
So the next letter is F, capital F. Now we are going to write capital F. It's also very easy because we have already learned capital E. So make a standing line. Then from the front line make a slipping line. This line should be longer. And then make a short slipping line. Okay, once again I am repeating. एक standing line draw करेंगे. Front line से आप एक slipping line बनाएंगे जो long रहेगी और waist line से जो आप slipping line बनाएंगे वो short रहेगी. This letter is called F. So we will start small f. Here we will make a curve downward and then just make a standing line and stop at the baseline. Now make a slipping line at the baseline. This is small f. This one is capital F and this one is small f.
So this is capital F and this is small f. Now it's the turn of its phonic sound. So the sound of F is again repeating. The sound of F is F for fish, F for fan.
Next letter is G. Capital G we are going to write. So what we have to do, we have to make C first, as we have learned a left curve from the front line to base line. In this way you will make. Done? Then go upward up to the waistline. Then make a slipping line small and then stop here and then come down. This is capital G. Okay, just make a curve, go upward up to the waistline, then make a slipping line and then come down with a standing line. This is capital G. Now we are going to make small g. For small g we have to make a small curve, left curve from waistline to baseline, then go upward, come from the same line downwards and then take a turn left side. Stop. This is small g, capital G and small g. Now learn the phonic sound.
So this is capital G and this is small g. So the phonic sound of G is G. G. Again repeating. G. G. G for gate. G for goat.
Next letter is H. So we will write the capital letter H. Just make a standing line from front line to base line. Again repeat the same thing, make a standing line from front line to base line and then join this two standing line with the slipping line. Done? This is capital H. Now we will make small letter H. Again you have to draw a standing line, then go upward, take a turn and then come down, making a lower curve and then stop. This is small h. So capital letter H and small letter h.
So this is capital H and this is small h. Now the sound of H is again repeating. So H for hen, H for hat.
Now the next letter is I, capital I. So how can we make I? Just make a slipping line on this front line. Then make a standing line from the center of this and stop at the base line. Then again start to make a slipping line from the same point where we have started the first one. Take care that both the lines should be of same length for a good handwriting. This is capital I. Now I'll make small I. Small I is very easy because we have to start from this waistline and we have to stop at the baseline. Make a short standing line and then put a dot over here. And this is small I. So this one is capital I and this one is small I. Let's learn the phonic sound of this letter.
So this is capital I and this is small I. Now it's a turn of its phonic sound. So the sound of I is
A. A.
again repeating.
A. A.
So I for ink pot, I for igloo. So in this video you have learned letter D to I. D, E, F, G, H, I. And further later we'll learn in the next video. So do subscribe and hit the like button for more informative videos like this.